Hi, my name is Silvia. Welcome to my channel. I'm a big fan of homemade gifts. It's the best way to make something special for the loved ones. So along with the Christmas wreaths that I've made in my previous video, I made this gift that my family can also taste, not only admire. Here's what I used: dried orange and lemon slices, baked salt ornaments, baked salt and rosemary crackers, a Christmas card, and some samples of homemade jams and pickled vegetables. I pickled carrots, onions, jalapenos, apples and grapes, and cucumbers, which you probably know them as pickles. The jams I made are apple jam, pear jam, strawberry jam, and grape jam. And also I made some grape punch. Let's start! These are the salt and rosemary crackers that I baked. I didn't like this bag, so I changed it later. I added tags to all the samples to specify what they are. Also, the pickled vegetables need 2 weeks to pickle, so I wrote on the tag the date they'll be ready to enjoy. Pickles, grape punch, pickled jalapenos, grape jam, apple jam, pear jam, pickled apples and grapes, and of course the salt and rosemary crackers, 1 succulent and 1 pine cone, the Christmas card, and here's the cute bag I made for the crackers from a piece of cellophane and twine. I think it looks way better. Oh, that's Merry Christmas in Romanian. I put them on a piece of twine to close this bag. I hope I gave you a great idea to surprise your family next year. Thanks for watching!